Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all make different styles of curries with rich gourd, but today I'm going to show you a very nice instant chutney recipe with it. Now the specialty of this particular chutney is we're going to use the skin instead of discarding it. Now the skin is rich in fiber and it's also good for digestion. So in a way this chutney is a really healthy one. So let's get started and check out how to make this instant and delicious rich gourd chutney. For the rich gourd chutney, I'm taking 2 big rich gourds here. Wash them nice and clean. Remove the skin and keep it in a bowl. Chop the rich gourd into small pieces and keep them in another bowl. Once this is done, I'm further roughly chopping the rich gourd skin. Now transfer the roughly chopped skin into a bowl again and keep it aside. For this recipe, take a wide saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it. Now add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon Coriander Seeds to the pan and saute. Roast the tempering ingredients until they are golden brown in color. Now keep the flame on low and do this to avoid burning of the ingredients. Now add the chopped rich gourd pieces. I'm also adding the skin along with these pieces. Nicely mix everything together and roast for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm adding 1 tomato that is roughly chopped. Next, add 4 green chilies and 5 garlic cloves too. To season this, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of rock salt and also add a few tamarind bits. Mix everything and cook the rich gourd. Since there is a lot of water content in the rich gourd, I'm not adding any extra water here. So I'm just simply placing the lid on the pan. The rock salt we have added will make the rich gourd release all the water from it. Now keep the flame on low and cook for another 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can check on the vegetable. There is a lot of water released here. So for another 5 minutes, keep the lid on so that the water is reduced a bit. Once done, turn off the stove and cool the ingredients completely. Transfer the cooled ingredients to the mixer jar and pulse the ingredients until you get a nice chutney consistency. There is no need to add water at all. Just in case you feel the chutney is too thick, you can just add about 1 tablespoon of water. This is the texture we should look for. So at this point, I'm transferring the ground chutney to another bowl. The next step is to prepare the ingredients for this chutney. Take a tempering pan and add 4 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 2 to 3 red chilies, 4 crushed garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of Hing and saute. Once the mustard seeds splatter, turn off the stove and add a few curry leaves. Now transfer the prepared tempering to the chutney and mix well. There you go, our yummy rich gourd pachadi or chutney as we call it is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with some nice hot rice and ghee. You can also enjoy this with some nice hot idli or dosa. I really enjoy that rich gourd chutney with that nice steaming rice and ghee. Now this chutney or pachadi as we call it can be instantly made within 15 to 20 minutes, and make sure to make it with tender rich gourds for best taste. You can also store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 days, and I'm sure you all will really enjoy it, so do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.